Season's greetings to all our clients and partners. You might be wondering why I'm wearing a Santa hat today. Well, because Santa is actually one of our most demanding customers. He operates the world's fastest global delivery fleet, and every year he relies on UBench to keep his sleigh running. Santa is always the first to try our newest innovations. He's our most loyal early adopter, because if something can survive Christmas night with him, it's ready for the whole market. This year we helped Santa and many of you with the power of orchestration, automation and better communication. The features we launched in 2025 helped streamline workflows, reduce downtime and keep even the busiest fleets moving. And the best part, we are only getting started. In 2026, we'll bring you even more innovation, including advanced repair steering, a smarter, data-driven way to match jobs with repairers, helping drivers enjoy a smoother experience. Doc Intelligence, our in-house AI assistant that pre-sorts and pre-reads documents, reducing routine administrative work so teams can focus what truly requires attention. And third, Visual Intelligence for claims intake, an enhanced photo capture process that provides clear information earlier, enabling repairers and loss adjusters to start assessments sooner as with fewer follow-ups. All designed to help you and Santa operate faster, more efficiently and with complete peace of mind. And that's really what we care about. Keeping your operations running smoothly, supporting your teams and helping your customers get the experience they deserve. Thank you for your trust and collaboration throughout the year. We are excited to continue building innovative, efficient and truly connected mobility ecosystems with you in 2026. From the entire UBench team, happy holidays and a wonderful new year.
UBench.